Part 3. My video went off again, so here is part 3. Trying to figure out if I can get enough leverage on this guy to loosen him up. Okay, got him loose. Hopefully this will be pretty painless. There's, I think, 4 bolts holding on the seat. Hopefully taking the battery off will keep it from having any airbag lights or anything like that, which is never good. And my seatbelt buckle problem was intermittent, so I'll have to drive around for a bit to confirm it's actually fixed, but I don't know what else it could be, because I would wiggle the seatbelt within the buckle while it was the light was on, and it would make the light go off. So I can't imagine that the new seatbelt is not my problem. Alright, so I got those two, the front one's out. Slide the seat forward as far as it goes. Okay, there's the two for the back. Let me try to just do a little stand on my phone. Let me see what that does. Probably not gonna work. What I need, I think I'm gonna get something. I've got an old camera that I can strap to my head or something. Feeling around for my E12, whatever it is. Alright. There's one. Here's the other. You know, not rocket science. Probably said that 12 times already. We'll see. Have a nice look at my front bolt while I try to take out the rear bolts. Coming loose. Sockets seem to be good quality, getting it out without much trouble. Still not quite out. Alright. 3 down, 1 to go. I wish that I would have moved my seat back before I took my battery off, because it's a little tight back here. The fourth one coming out. Cables from my head unit, Apple CarPlay, I love it. I'm not sure what's going to happen when I get this fourth one out. Hopefully the seat just pops right out. Probably all kinds of stuff living under there. We'll find out. Alright, fourth one out. We'll see if the seat lifts right out. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I'm all out of focus there. I think a tablet's a good idea. But I gotta have something to put the tablet on. Let me get my Traeger over here. Don't have a Traeger, you should. Wood pellet grill. Close your stuff nice. I'm gonna see if this will sort of work. You can sort of see, maybe. Not if it'll stay there. Okay, don't move. Don't move, seat. The phone or whatever. The seat's coming out. It looks like there's one major wiring harness, so I'm going to be careful not to try to take it all the way out. I'm going to tilt it out this way and see what I got under here. So here's the main harness, it looks like. My seatbelt, of course, is on the other side. Let me see what I'm looking for. Here's my new part. So I'm looking for the other end of this guy. Figure out how to take him off. I'm gonna take him off or try to, and then see what we got. So I'm gonna turn the seat the other way. Oh, that doesn't work too bad. I got it up on my phone, up on my sun visor. So let's see. Being conscious of that wiring harness, I don't want to fix my seatbelt, but have the rest of my car not work. That wouldn't be any good. All right, looks like we've got a big bolt holding on the seatbelt, which is probably good. Let me see what I got there for that. I should have, might be overkill, but might not be. I've got a good set of, there they are, 1/2-inch drive, big ass sockets. So let's see if one of these fits on here. Looks like maybe a 17, maybe a 19. I'll try 17s. No, it is a 17. All right. Now I gotta find a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Here we go. I'd imagine this guy's in here pretty tight. I would think so, but cross your fingers for me. Oh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, so that's easy enough. Put that nut somewhere where I'm sure I'll lose it later. Now I'm going to tilt the seat back, and now we kind of know more of what we're looking for. Maybe steering wheel's kind of in the way, but I got to get under there somehow. All right, so I got the seat kind of, I almost scratched my car if I didn't. I think I did. So I might have scratched the car with the end of that, which doesn't make me remotely happy, but probably grab something to throw around that guy. This green janky towel on my trigger will probably work. All right. So, towel or not, I'm going to be conscious of this guy and try not to get him into the paint. I'm just not sure how to get under there. Let's see what we got here. So I see kind of feel here, so the wire, I know where the wire is, I just don't know how to get to it. I don't think I want to. If I unplug this, I could take the seat all the way out, but I don't know if I want to do that quite yet. We'll see. So, trying to just feel for where it looks like it's maybe this guy. Maybe. Let's see where he goes. I'm gonna have to cut into something. So what does the end of this thing, the new one, look like? Where's the new one? Probably in the car somewhere. Oh, here it is. Now, is this the old one? No, this is the new one. New, old, I don't know. Looks new. All right. So I'm ultimately looking for where this guy plugs into. So I'm looking for that. And I just don't know where it is. This might not even be the right cable to follow. I think it is, though. I think it is, because I gotta take that thing. Yeah, no, it is. So I'm confirming it's moving. So this is the cable for sure. This guy right here is the cable for sure. I gotta figure out how to get it loose, but I'll do that later. I wanna see if I can find the plug. I don't know how these, okay, that's good. So these guys come off easy enough. You just kind of slide out. Okay. So I've got part of my cable loose. Okay. I kind of wanted to start cutting zip ties, but I might have to. Yeah, I'll probably. Where is this? This is it. So where does it go? It's like it's. I think I'm gonna have to cut that zip tie. Cut this zip tie right here. Got some wire cutters somewhere. Wire cutters, and they're probably in this tool bag. I claim I can almost fix anything with what's in this tool bag, but you know how that goes. Alright, no, that's not right. I'm pretty sure there's some wire cutters in here somewhere. Okay, there we go. Nice rusty wire cutter. So I'm going to snip this, carefully snip this zip tie. If I can get in there one-handed, I have to put this phone down. We'll see. Okay, got that guy loose. And see how much that helped me. So here's my wire. Here's one end of the wire. Where does that other end wind up? Looks like it's inside. It goes inside this, yeah, this yellow thing. So it looks like, of course, everything's always difficult than you might think. So I figure I'm gonna have to get into this yellow thing. So I'm gonna snap this guy off. Okay. And to snap that one off. Jeez, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to angle this camera somewhere. So there we go. So I don't know if this looks kind of like a. Sheesh, I don't know. whoever's watching this, if you guys can tell me what to do, that'd be great. Click maybe twist. Oh, twist and shout. I got lucky on that one. Yeah, so this blue thing, square, fits in that square down there. So I'm getting closer. It's still weird. It seems like I'm going to have to take this thing all the way apart. I've seen these things sort of before. And I can cut this little zip tie loose, but I don't think that's going to buy me much. So I'm clearly going to have to take this yellow thing apart somehow. And how is as good a guess as any. It looks like this part comes out, which if I can figure that out, I can just take the whole seat out. I don't know if that helps or hurts pulling that bottom thing out. Like I said, you are getting this real time, first time I've ever done it, so I would expect it to struggle a little bit. Yeah, I just don't know what I'm doing, basically. And this guy pulls out, but I don't know why. I was hoping it kind of like is a holder for this. Maybe it is. Okay, there we go. Or closer. I pull that guy out. Okay. So I got this guy out. And now that this guy's out, that was the only thing stopping my seat from coming all the way out. So I'm going to take my seat all the way out. Put this somewhere. All right. That's where I'm going to put my seat. All right. I got my seat out. I think you guys can see, but I'm not sure. Try to keep it in view here. Looks pretty good. So this is what I'm trying to take out. I got to do this part up here. I got to do this part sooner or later, so it looks like you can just pull it out. I hope, I think, so let's see what happens there. Well, yes and no. So that part just came right off, and I can't imagine it's going to be super hard to get this off. Okay, which it wasn't, so that's good. Put him back there for now. So we'll leave him there. You're gonna have to get the other end off. So for the other end, how I'm gonna get into here where this guy looks like he plugs into, I don't know, hopefully something. I'm gonna have to get in here somehow. So how that is, I don't know. I do not know how I'm gonna get in there. This looks like it's trying to, okay, yeah. little screwdriver. All right. Well, I'd rather have a. Let me find. All right. I've got a little screwdriver that I'm gonna try to push this thing in. I think, but I don't know. Is there one on the other side? Okay, yeah, there's one on the other side too. I just don't know how. Yeah, this seems like this is going to be a bitch to get out. Let me do it this way. Okay. Do that, and then it looks like this guy slides out. Okay. But how do I get all that to happen at the same time? I don't know. I'm going to keep that guy stuck in there. I still don't know how it's going to pull out. Okay, there we go. Just kind of tinker with it and it's coming out. Okay, beautiful. So now we got this guy, which is the guy we're trying to replace. Good stuff. Got the other one off. There's the old part. I gotta find out where the new part is and plug it back in there. So a couple roadblocks, but overall, I think we're pretty much just in put it back together mode, so I think we're in good shape. Let me find the new one. Here it is. All right, so this guy looks like the same part for the most part, so that's good. I don't see how these two contacts make contact with anything, but oh, I know why, because I'm looking at this wrong. Okay, so basically I'm just snapping this guy back in, and then it'll make contact when the major harness is going in, which makes sense. All right, so now I got to put all this back together. This blue part, again, this square goes on into this square. So I'm gonna try to do that. Should I do that now? No, I'm gonna do that later because I gotta plug in the harness that's in the car to that. This part, trying to figure out what I can do now and do later. I'm probably gonna route this wire and put the seatbelt itself back on. I don't see a reason not to do that. I do see a reason though that I screwed up and plugged that thing in too quick in my process. So I'm gonna have to take this guy back out so I can route him properly. So did it once, hopefully can do it again. So that guy and then this guy, just kind of back and forth till you kind of guess. There you go. So I got this right. All right, so I'm gonna bolt on the seat belt and then figure out how to wire that thing. So I gotta go find my 17 socket and the bolt. I don't know about you, but I can never find anything after I use it. And of course, what it is, this is no exception. All right, so pretty straightforward here. I don't think there's anything I can mess up. So seatbelt that way. Yep. So I'm gonna bolt that guy in real quick. so you can't see it. Whoa, man down. That's my pants. Got some jeans on. So I'm tightening up that 17 to hold the seatbelt in place. So it looks fine. I'm wondering if like you can, you know, move it at a different angle. It looks okay, but I don't remember what it was before. So I'm gonna loosen this guy up and